everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video guys, we will learn how to write a very simple program that will ask the user to give a sentence, and then our program will count the number of words in a given sentence. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using Eclipse as my integrated development environment, so I have already a series of programs that I wrote before. So what I will do is to add another one. Right click, select new, select class, and then the class here, which method stubs you would like to create. So I will click this one, public static void main. It will be auto generated for us, and then here the word is word count. Click the finish button. Sorry, I have a cough. Okay, so here you can write import java.util.scanner, a library file for input output. Next here, string text int count words, scanner input equals new scanner, system.in semicolon, system out point print line, here you can have a title, \t, word count in the sentence in Java. Give a sentence. Text equals input dot next line, util, the util, next for int I equals 0, a less than length -1, a plus plus, begin if text point char e t e was text dot char at e plus 1. Well, sorry, plus plus. Okay, so after we have done, we will display the result. Print total number of words is +1. And then here, guys, we will have here other sorry, end of program. Save. Now here in our code, we declare the library file Java util scanner for input output, and then here series of variables, and then it will count, it will add title of a program, word count in the sentence in Java, and then a program give a sentence, ask for a sentence from the user, and then this code will count the number of words in a given sentence, and then it will display the result on the screen. So let us test our code. Okay, computer programming is fun and profitable. So here in the sentence, computer programming is fun and profitable. So how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are expecting 6 words. What happened? There is a bug? Oh no. Text. Okay, I forgot. Okay, so let us run again. Computer programming is fun and profitable. Okay, okay, we have 6. The problem is the loop. We have to go outside. Okay. Try again. Okay, let us run again. Computer programming is fun and profitable. Okay, total number of words is 6. We have the right result. Okay, we will run again for the last time. Computer programming is fun and profitable. Okay, what's the problem? Information technology is important to our society. Sorry. So we have here the title of program word count in a sentence in Java. Give a sentence. Information technology is important to our society. So how many words in the sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have already the right result now. Total number of words is 7. So we got it, guys. Another example. Bacolod City is a city of smile. This is the sentence. Bacolod City is a city of smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here we go, guys. We have already the right result in our program. Count words in a given sentence in Java. I hope that you learned something new in this video tutorial. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Says, until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.